I know I keep promising you guys I'm gonna get on a better schedule, but this time I swear I am. Two more videos in the works for this week, so just stay tuned for that. But today I thought, why not have a little casual hangout, a little chit chat, get ready with me, you know how we do here. I am gonna be using some products that are new that I'm gonna be talking about in the next video, so I'm actually gonna be skipping over those. If you guys wanna know what those products are, if you like them, make sure you subscribe down below and leave a like if you like the look, and let's get into it. All right, first things first, we are gonna prime, as always, with our Tarte. How have you guys been? How is school going? I'm currently a student at UCSB, actually. I recently moved back to the area. Just, I don't know, be closer to campus in case I need to do anything, you know, anything like that. Do you guys have any solutions for how to stick these hairs down that isn't like cultural appropriation-y? Because I have no idea what to do, and I feel like it's not a common Indian girl problem. I don't know, leave any suggestions. Maybe I'll start like doing them back. I don't know. Right now we are using an unnamed concealer for under the eyes and the brightening and sporadically here. We're also gonna go in with our Pat McGrath. What to put this in. All right, since I'm gonna contour with the new product too, I'm gonna just do that off camera and I will be right back. And we are back and we are contoured. I know my lighting's like super off tonight. Whoops. I hope it's good. But yeah, we have contoured and concealed, and now we are gonna go in with our Dior foundation. Literally like past midnight right now. I know it seems kind of weird to be doing so many products off camera for a get ready with me, but I promise you I'll have clips of how those products perform in the next video. Also, the point of this video is more so for the Workspace tour, but I didn't want to just do that because I felt like that would be too short because I don't really have a big workspace. So I thought, you know, might as well throw in more content. Hope you guys are liking it. Right, I'm gonna go in with the Glossier. I really want to get more of these. I really like this. This has quickly become my favorite powder, just so you guys know. I will definitely be repurchasing. So while my next video is an Ulta haul, and I did get this next product from Ulta, I didn't get it in my haul, so I'm not going to be talking about it, but I do really enjoy it, and it is the Smashbox Cali Contour Palette. I have been honestly able to use like all of the shades for my skin tone. It works really well. My only thing is I wish this bronzer was a little bit, I don't know, the cool tone bronzer is so dark and the warm tone bronzer is so light. I wish that was like a little bit darker. I don't know. But other than that, it's great. Great value. It's like the best contour powder palette since the Urban Decay one, in my opinion. If you guys like that one. But yeah, I will be using this today. You know what? I will use one of the highlighters in the palette just to show you guys what it looks like, because it doesn't matter. I'm going to take all this off right after this anyways. I'm going to just mix them both because they're both pretty similar. But you see, it's like a very subtle glow. It's soft, it's pretty. It's just not what I usually go for. I usually go way harder than this, but you know, maybe I'll still top it off. How have you guys been? I don't know about y'all, but with quarantine and school, I have been stressed with between moving and everything too. It has been suddenly a lot. I thought I could handle a lot. I was like, you know what? I'm not a scaredy cat. I can handle a challenge, but man, has this quarter been challenging. And just so you know, I have still been straightening my hair with the Moroccan smooth style. And I think I'm liking it more and more, honestly. It's cut down my hair doing time so heavily. And I feel like, I don't know, I don't straighten my hair very often anymore. So when I do, it's like, it looks pretty good. I've been offered to use like a straightener and like go for every strand, like straightening it for hours. In like 20 minutes, it would look like this anyway. So I'm okay with it not being like bone straight. Now my little patent technique. I've honestly been super lazy about the way I get ready these days. I can't even remember what my next step is supposed to be right now, honestly. Should we do eyeshadow? Well, I feel like throwing a little something in my eyeshadow area, even though I'm doing absolutely nothing right now. So I'm going Dose of Colors palette. I've beaten this one to death, but it's literally one of the most amazing palettes ever. Go into this lid, easy peasy. Y'all, that was one color that is literally, might as well be a whole eye look, right? Now I'm gonna do my little lazy girl hack of just going to the bronzer and the Dior and just go over top that. Been using this palette so much. The Natasha Denona bronze palette. Sorry, it's all gross looking, but this beautiful baby. I'm gonna just go back into Bliss. It's one of my favorite shades. I've done this on camera before, but watch this again. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Just oof. All right, the next few products are all new, so I'm gonna hop off camera real quick, do my eyeliner, mascara, and eyebrow pencil, and I'll be right back to finish up the rest with you guys. And we're back. Just need to throw a little bit of gimme brow in my brows real quick. If you guys wanna find out what I just used right now, you already know when you'll find that out. So, but moving on, we gotta do lips, I think. I've been really into like berry tones like this over the winter. I got this at a Target run. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. I'm super into these actually. I got like 2 colors. I kind of want to get more. I've been using these as kind of like lip liner or lip color. You'll see. Hold on. And then I'm gonna use this Maily Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips thing in the middle. I got this in an Ipsy bag. Ooh, let me know if you guys want an Ipsy review, because I've been an Ipsy subscriber for like 3 years now, and I have many opinions if you want to hear them. Like this, it's so creamy. And then we are topping it off with some of our Pat McGrath lip gloss. And here we have the final look. All right, now that we have our makeup on, let's jump into this workplace tour. But obviously, because, mind you guys, I just did my makeup right now, so my desk is about to look not that great, and I really can't be bothered to clean it. You guys just saw me do my makeup, whatever. But all right, let's get started. Literally, after I show you guys all my like workplace stuff, I'm literally just about to go paint, I think. that also explains the paint on my fingers if you guys saw that earlier. But yeah, don't mind how dirty the mat is, but this is my little makeup station desk recording studio thing. Yeah, I usually lay out my makeup on front, on the sides. Brushes are off to another side. Hair stuff is always off to this side. Keep a little calendar right here. A little whiteboard for, obviously, in case I need a whiteboard anytime I'm studying or anything, but I also use it for backgrounds of videos, and this is for the next video because I got too eager. You can see on this side we have all my school stuff. Got some books back there. So when I'm filming, I like to leave the lamp on facing down to like kind of illuminate this area for me. And then I use the ring light and then a tripod to set this on. So as you can see from this side, I keep a lot of boxes full of wires and camera stuff, paints, pencils, Ipsy bags, you name it. I usually throw my tripods and stuff in this corner over here when I'm done with them, which I actually probably need a better solution. As you can see, I have 2 of my tripods set up for tomorrow's videos. Normally when I'm done with the brushes, I keep, brushes, sponges, sprays, tools are all up here, plus sunglasses. Don't know why I have sunglasses here as well, but I do, whatever. Then down here we have my nail polishes. This is, I use this to clean my makeup brushes. It's gross, I'm sorry. Some wallets and just other manicure stuff, you know. And then down here we have all my hair stuff. I probably also need better organization for this, but for the time being, normally this whole top thing isn't this crowded. This is all set up for the Ulta review video tomorrow, and you guys are getting a sneak peek of some of the products right now, so you're welcome. But yeah, normally up here I just have my scrunchies, my tarot cards, like some decorative stuff, and like normally none of this. So now for the part I know you're most excited for, the drawers. This like tabletop and the sides, I did it myself, just so you know. But yeah, in the first drawer we have, this is where I keep my, you know, foundations, primers, contour sticks, and like cream blushes, and then all my concealers get their own little drawer because your girl likes concealers. Oh, and powders over on this side, like face powders. And a lot of stuff is missing right now, just so you guys know, and but whatever. The second drawer, I keep lashes over here, lash stuff like magnetic liner, regular lash glue right here, eyebrow stuff right there, all my eyeliners, all my mascaras, and over here we have some tools, and then some eyebrow pomades. In drawer number 3, this was face palettes and highlighter palettes. As you can see, I have like a stack of them on my desk right now, so it's looking empty, but yeah. The next one, this is single bronzers and blushes. Blushes are on this side, bronzers are on that side. I know, we are just beginning, people. Do not judge too hard. Let's cover that up. Alright guys, I'll admit, I fell for the scam too when Shane Dawson brought Jeffrey back. I believe he was a good person, sue me, whatever. But this is just eyeshadow palettes over here. Let me just cover up that mess. And then finally we have lipsticks, lip pencils on the side. These are the liquid lipsticks, and then lip glosses. And lastly, we have this drawer, which I just keep like extra, you know, decals. There's a bunch of glitters in there, extra nails, you know, just stuff like small miscellaneous stuff. And yeah, that's about everything. If y'all like this look, make sure you subscribe. I put my makeup on with y'all whenever I feel bad about not posting any real videos. Speaking of real videos though, just so you guys know, yeah, so the next video we have coming is going to be the Ulta haul. Then after that, I have a very special astrology themed video planned. Stay tuned for that. And I also have a Sephora order coming in. Your girl treated herself a little at the VIB sale, I admit. So we'll be doing a Sephora review very soon, as well as maybe like a clothing haul for winter. I don't know, I'm considering it. It depends on when my clothes decide to get here. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And I really appreciate you guys sticking around. I appreciate all the support from all of you. And I'll see you next time.